Hey everybody, it's Mr. Grooch. Today is May 26th. Um, on your homework list for today, you can see that today is basically a review day. The plan for this week is we review Tuesday, quiz on Wednesday, review Thursday, test Friday. The quiz and test are both ungraded. I'd like to see how you do on both of those just because you're going to be asked a lot of the same questions in ninth grade or possibly 10th grade whenever they do their civics at your high school of choice. And so kind of going through this test this time is kind of a practice run, so you get to see where you're at. If you remember, the state statute is 60% or higher on that test for the CARTA. Of course, they won't call it a CARTA at your high school, but that's what we call it here. I'm going to show you a couple things that you can do to study for that test and for the Bill of Rights quiz that is tomorrow. So if I share my screen here and we go to Trivium homepage, hopefully this isn't new news to you. Go to civics. This tells you the state stuff, why we have to do it. These are all practice quizzes and tests that you can do for Friday's test. Now I'm going to post that a little bit early, so if you are ahead of the game and you want to get Trivium finished and work on the other stuff, that's fine, okay? But if I click on this, it takes me to a practice test, multiple choice. If I get it wrong, it tells me why, right? Sorry, that's wrong, right? Slavery is correct. Then next question. One American Indian tribe, that one. Okay, this one is a good one to know. This is probably going to be more focused on Minnesota. In Minnesota, we have the Ojibwe and the Dakota and their various names. Okay, so you can pick two of those tribes. If I go back here, there's a YouTube series. If you're more of a video person, it just goes through and shows you the test like a video, all the questions.
What does the Constitution do?
You quiz yourself.
Sets up the government.
Tells you that right there.
Defines the government.
Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of these videos. 100, I bet. Yeah, 100 videos, one for each question. It'll take you a while, but it's a good way to study. It's like flashcards without another person to help you. Speaking of flashcards, here are the flashcards. All of them on a PDF. What does the Constitution do? Sets up the government. That was the question that teacher just taught you. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we have. Here are the 100 questions online. All of the questions that are possible for the naturalization test. All of them. Okay. So I click here. Name one state that borders Canada. There you go. Right. All of them. I bet if we went up to number 2, it'd be the same one that she just asked. Nope, they have in different order. Okay, and then the last one is a Quizlet version. Oh no, second to last one. There are free resources here. All these different types of things, and then the Quizlet version. So another way to take a test. Okay. All right, so those are the ways to test. These are the review videos that you could watch. And then the packet that you're receiving today has a little homework guide, review guide. It basically says it in 1790s language, 2020 language, and then the hand gesture that we have. So that brings me to the last thing that you can do to prepare for the Bill of Rights test is the hand gesture videos. If you don't know all the hand gestures, right? All of those, if you don't know all of those, watch those videos because that's really going to help you put it in long-term memory. And then when you're my age, you'll still know your rights. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to email me or G-chat me or answer a question in the Google Classroom. And then on Thursday at 10:30, Thursday at 10:30, we'll be meeting. I will answer any question that you might have about the test or about what's going on. All right, take care.